With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so let's read this question. So the question says the Michaelis-Menten constant, that is denoted by Km of an enzyme, is substrate concentration at which the reaction attains. So the options are its maximum velocity, half of its maximum velocity, double its maximum velocity, or is equals to its normal velocity. So this Michaelis-Menten constant is denoted by this Km, and it is equals to the concentration of the substrate at which half of the enzyme, at which we can see the half of the enzyme's active site is saturated with the substrate. Half of the enzyme's active site is saturated with substrate. So that is the Km value. Okay, so as you can see in this graph also, in this figure also, that on the y-axis there is the reaction rate, and on the x-axis there is the substrate concentration. And this Michaelis-Menten constant, it is going to tell us about the affinity of an enzyme to the substrate. So it is going to tell us about the affinity of enzyme for their substrate, all right. So it is going to provide us the affinity of an enzyme for the substrate. Okay, so as you can see in this graph as well, that Km, this Km is the concentration, is the substrate concentration. This Km is the concentration of the substrate at which half of the Vmax is attained. So this is basically the Vmax. This entire is the Vmax, and this is half of Vmax. That means Vmax by 2. Okay, so we can say that Km is that concentration of the substrate. It is that concentration of the substrate at which half of the Vmax is attained. This is the Vmax, so half of it would become Vmax by 2. So the correct option would be half of its maximum velocity. That is option 2. So I hope it helps you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.